How to fix the system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation. 1. Run the installation as an administrator. 2. Allow installation via local group policy editor. To do so, enable turn off Windows installer at computer configuration administrative templates Windows components Windows installer ingbedite.msc. And set never to that policy. Now, select all users except local administrators under apply software restriction policies to the following under enforcement properties. Path, Windows settings security settings software restriction policies new software restriction policies. 3. Allow installation via the registry editor. To do so, set 0 to disable MSI at hkey_local_machine \software \policies \Microsoft \Windows \installer in registry editor.